children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. I'm so glad that you're all here to watch this video. In this video, we are going to learn about good and healthy habits. Health is wealth. Do you know what is the meaning for this? I will tell you. We cannot enjoy our life if we are not healthy. If you fall sick, you cannot do any activities like playing, writing, reading. To stay active and healthy, we must follow good and healthy habits in our daily life. Come on children, let us see one by one. Children, the first habit we all must follow is early to bed, early to rise. When you sleep early at night, you will be able to wake up early in the morning without any difficulties. Nowadays, children are not sleeping at proper time. Children of your age must sleep at least for 10 hours at night. Only then you will be fresh and active throughout the day. Children, we must brush our teeth twice a day. This is also one of the important habits to maintain good oral hygiene. Now I shall explain you how to brush our teeth. Firstly, we need to use a good brush and a paste. First we have to rinse our brush and put a small amount of paste on it. The next we have to do is to rinse our mouth with clean water. Then we have to move the brush gently in circles to clean the outer sides of the teeth and gums. Now open your mouth widely, brush back and forward on the inside of the teeth. This is the place where the food particles will be present on the surface of the teeth. If you do not brush properly, it will give you bad smell. Next, you have to brush on the upper part of the teeth. Once the brushing is done, please do not forget to spit the toothpaste from your mouth. Then you have to rinse your mouth with clean water. Children, if you follow all these steps of brushing properly, when you smile at others, your teeth will be sparkling and shining. Next comes bathing. We must take a bath with a good soap and clean and warm water. We do many activities in a day. We go out, we play. Our body sweats a lot, especially when the weather is hot. So bathing twice a day helps to keep our body clean. And also, we must take a head bath using a mild shampoo once a week. This helps us to keep our hair clean and shiny. Children, after bathing, we must wear washed and clean clothes. Please do not wear any dirty clothes. The next, how to keep our hair neat. Boys have short hair. Some girls have short hair. Some girls have long hair. Children, you have to apply oil and comb your hair neatly. Girls with long hair must brush your hair gently and tie your hair properly to maintain tangle-free hair. We must maintain our hair neatly. Especially boys must maintain short hair. For that, you need to cut and trim your hair once a month. The next, we have to maintain our nails properly. You must cut your nails once a week with the help of your parents. Please do not use nail cutter by yourself. And also avoid biting your nails. We do many things using our hands, like picking things, writing, and eating. When you do not cut your nails, the dirt collected in the nails will enter your stomach and can cause diseases. Children, do you know why are you not going to school? Why are you all staying at home? It is because of the infectious coronavirus disease. It spreads from others. That's why we have to cover our nose with a handkerchief while coughing or sneezing. And also, we must say excuse me or sorry after coughing or sneezing. Children, the next we are going to see is healthy eating habits. We should eat healthy foods. Our body needs energy to work and play. We should eat lot of vegetables and fruits. Foods such as rice, dal, milk, eggs, meat, green vegetables, leafy vegetables we must include in our daily meals. We should not eat junk foods. We should avoid eating junk foods. Junk foods will be tasty but not healthy. Our mom is the best cook in the world, isn't it? Our mummy prepares our favorite foods with love and affection. So, we should eat foods that are homemade and fresh. Children, eat healthy foods and stay healthy forever. Children, we should follow the habit of exercising daily. Exercises like stretching your legs and hands, running, jogging, skipping will help you to keep your muscle and bones stronger. It keeps you fit and active. Stretching exercises will increase your height. Nowadays, kids are spending many hours in watching TV or playing mobile games. Playing physical games and exercises will help you to keep fit and active. The next we are going to see is washing hands. You all do this, but are you doing it properly? I will teach you how to wash your hands, but we will learn this by imagining and doing. Yes, children, let us pretend play. Children, imagine that you're washing hands. Do as shown in the pictures. Shall we start? Children, are you all ready for washing your hands? Step 1. Wet your hands. Clean your hands with water. Step 2. Apply soap to your hands. Step 3. Rub your hands together up and down. Come on, do it. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Next, interlock your fingers and scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Next, overlap your hands and scrub together. Keep your right palm on your left palm and scrub together. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Next, rinse your hands thoroughly with water. And finally, dry your hands using a clean towel. Hey, our hands are germ-free now. Children, hope you all learnt how to wash our hands properly. Now let us see when to wash our hands. We should wash our hands every time before and after eating the food. We should wash our hands after coughing or sneezing. We must wash our hands after playing with our pets. We must wash our hands after throwing garbage. Children, hope you all understood the importance of the good and healthy habits. Please follow these habits to stay healthy forever. See you all in the next video. Thank you and bye.